Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So just to look after those who are in trouble. That's our point.
Everyone is in trouble.
Right?
At the present moment, even the ministers are in trouble.
Yes, but that is not what our function is. Everybody's in trouble.
Physician, heal thyself. You see? They are also drunkards, they are also woman hunters, meat eaters, and gambling, that's all. They require to be rectified.
But we can't help that. That's society. You have to go and change society. The society tells us to act.
But unless you change the society, how you can make social welfare? If you keep them as it is, then where is the question of welfare?
Give it a different interpretation to the word.
How I don't
understand me?
Basically, one must be first class, ideally, man. That is one.
That's why it's so very difficult. You have to work on your own, and you have to see that you're free to work.
You
and
find
if you
out.
convince enough people to go your
our
way.
own program, it is not box properly. You find out fault with us.
What?
You find out what is our fault.
I can't see any fault.
Then you can disagree. But when you see everything is nice, how you will not accept it? Unless you are biased.
Of course I'm biased. I've been brought up differently.
Yes. That's like our...
Because you're biased against my life.
No, we are not biased. We say that just like we are not biased, we are allowing. We say that if you want to be first class man, then you must not commit sinful activity. That is our problem.
But I, as a public servant, I'm not here to change society.
We are also public.
What to do?
We belong to the public. You must become our servant also.
What?
We are public, members of the public.
Yes.
So you should become our servant also, if you are public servant.
A public servant is in our philosophy, is a man who serves a minister elected by the people. And this way he serves the public.
Yeah.
And what the public decides,
therefore, we are reforming the public.
Yes, that's what I mean.
They select
when you reform the public, they will tell us to act differently.
Yeah. So, the public select a president, Nixon, and they become disturbed, again drag him down.
Yes.
This is going on.
Yeah, but this is how society works. You must want society to change, and we have to change. I just do what I'm asked to do. Because otherwise I lose my job.
Now, if you actually want to do some social welfare, then you must take the standard formula. And if you manufacture your own way, that will never be successful.
I might agree with you that if all of us would be Krishna...
Not whole.
Then it would be... Then social welfare would mean something different.
Just like we are proposing here. I'm not proposing. Krishna said that one must be peaceful. But how to become peaceful? If his mind is always disturbed, how he can become peaceful?
Quite right.
So that is the secret of success. You want to make people peaceful, but you do not know how to make him peaceful.
Yeah.
So therefore you have to adopt this.
You have a competitive society.
Yeah. We say that you chant Hare Krishna, eat here sumptuously, live here comfortably, and you become peaceful. It is guaranteed. If anyone, even a madman, agrees to this principle, that let him chant Hare Krishna mantra, take whatever nice food stuff we prepare, take, and live peacefully. He will be peaceful. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,